Hey, today we're going to work on Module 2 of the textbook. Module 2 contains more formatting of the Excel sheets. So it doesn't contain much of the functions or calculations. Again, more formatting, more working with fonts, different colors, styles, things like that. I think one of the most important thing, however, is the working with conditional formatting. Okay, conditional formatting is located under Home tab, Conditional Formatting. Then you have different options to choose from. For example, highlight cell rules so that you can work in with different conditions like greater than some numbers, less than, between, equal to. Even you can test with a text contained in certain cell or range of cells. And moreover, you can have certain conditions with the top number of values or bottom, even working with number of percent or bottom 10, which is same kinds of, or you can work with above average or below average to highlight uh, those areas. Okay, but anyway, let's work on module 2, case problem 2. Okay, so that's what we're gonna focus on today. So here we go, page, in terms of page EX2-68, EX2-68, working with actually step number 3. Of course, in documentation sheets, you're gonna enter your name, date, but again, don't forget, insert your name to the header, okay? So that's the kind of least method that I suggest you to, keep this in integrity a little bit so that I know your name is there. All right, so always insert your name to the header. All right, and I'm gonna put more names. In the documentation, today's date, I'm gonna just use whatever the Excel function, didn't mean to. So I'm showing today's date. And step number 3 again of the problem, apply theme. So theme is under page layout, right? So go to page layout tab, themes. You have so many different kinds of themes. However, your computer may not have all of this. If that's the case, you can choose anything you like, okay, whatever you have. If you have the one specified there, which is vapor trail theme, which is right here in my case, so I'm going to apply that to the sheets, okay. Step number 4, applying the following formats. So still in the documentation, applying A1 to font size 36 and font style bright green, accent 5. Bright green accent 5. You can either go to styles or you can go to font color. Bright green, let's choose this one. Bright green accent 5. That was A1. A3 to A5, apply accent 5 cell style. I guess the same color, bright green. Then add a border around A3B5, A3B5, border around, that's under font group, borders, outside border. Then wrap the text within each cell. So highlight, you're still highlighting, then you click wrap text so that the content in the cell can be adjusted by itself. Okay, depending on how big you want to be, and just want to show like that. All right, step 5. Still A1 and documentation. This is a little different. We're going to create a new style name. Okay, if you go to styles right here, you have different styles depending on how you're going to show title, headings, number, and things. You can even create your own style. So this is what I mean by new, creating a new cell style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click new cell style, and we're going to name it tech masters title, and I'm going to click OK so that the new style we just created showing at the top. Step number 6, go to wait times. We're going to apply the new style we just created to A1, the cell A1. So again, click A1, go to styles, and just apply the new style we created. Now step number 7, A2, change the font color to bright green XN5. Same bright green XN5. Font size 12. Again, we're going to save this as a new cell style. Tech Master Subtitle. Styles. New cell style. Tech Masters Subtitle. Alright, so as you can see, it displays at the top. Step number 6. Actually, step number 7. That was step number 7. Now we are at step number 8. Step number 8. Now we're going to highlight A14 through H39. So we're going to work in this area. So I'm going to just zoom out a little bit. Now step number 8A, merge A14, H14, merge and center. Apply heading 2 cell style, heading 2 cell style. Okay. Then B, B16 to all the way. We're going to show only 1 decimal places. Now it's so many decimal places. So we're going to decrease the decimals to 1. Okay. Step 8C, format the column and row labels, which is located right there, and that vertically, Then we're going to apply some cell style. Again, this time light yellow, 60%. Then it should be under styles. This is light yellow, 60%, accent 3. There. Now step D under 8. Center the column heading B15H15. Center. Now step 9, B5. We're going to enter number 22, followed by 28, 47, 69, and very poor at 84, then 90. So what we got is we are basically evaluating operators or technical support waiting time for the customers. So if you get a waiting time 22 seconds or less, that's excellent. 28 seconds, good, and all the way. If it goes like 90 seconds waiting time, that's unacceptable. Okay, so that's what we're trying to show in this area by using conditional formatting. Right? So step number 10 now. A4C4. A4C4. I'm sorry. Yeah, A4C4, which is right here. Did I miss something here? Well, I think we're going to apply heading 2, a cell style, then merge and center, and border around. No, that's the next step. Okay, then A5C10. Step number 10, still step number 10. A5C10, border around, so right here, outside border. Okay, so that was step number 10. Now step 11, column E. Actually, cell E4. We're going to enter some words there. Average wait time. There will be all days. Then E7. There will be weekdays. Then E10 for the weekends. Okay, so 11B, step number 11B. In H4, we're going to enter formula to calculate average for B16 through H39. So we can manually enter equals average, but I'm going to just use order sum, average. Then I'm going to highlight B16 through H39 all the way. Okay, so 44.2. Same thing to H7. average, but this time that's for the weekdays, which means Monday through Friday. Okay, 50.3 seconds. The weekends, of course, Saturday and Sundays. Which is 28.9. Okay. Now step number 12. Now we're going to still work on this area, which is now E4 through G6. G6. Merge and center, wrap text, center vertically, horizontally. Then apply a cell style, which is light yellow 60%. Yeah, light yellow 60%. Accent 3. There you go. And this time H4 to H6. And now we're working on 12B. H4 to H6. Merge and center. And middle align. E4, step C, E4 to H6. In this area. I'm going to insert a border around. Just like that. Now, we're going to copy this format and apply to following area. Okay, so highlight this area, format painter, and apply to, oops, I'm going to do it again. Apply to area below, just like that. So format will be copied exactly, only the format. So you don't have to repeat 2 more times. I think I'm going to cut this time, and we're going to continue with part 2 because it's getting longer and longer. So